Greetings everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuki, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Okay, do well to subscribe to this channel and send this channel, to somebody that it may be of help to that is having challenges in maths. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board. If you don't mind, do well to pause the video, attempt the question, and come back to this video. Okay? All right, so let's look at this question together. All right, the first thing I want to do is I want to identify what topic in maths that we have this question and apply the principles based on that topic. So the question says 5, 8, 6, and k occur, okay, with frequencies 3, 2, 4, and 1 respectively, and have a mean of what? 5.7. Find the value of k. All right, so mean, okay, gives me an insight that we are looking at word statistics, okay? So to solve this, now we are given the frequencies. So our solution, what is the frequency? If I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, what this means is what? 1, okay, here has a frequency of 1, 2, 3, so 3, all right? Now 2 here has a frequency of 1, 2. 3 here has a frequency of 1. That's what it means. So when we say frequency, frequency has to do the number of times a number appear or repeats. So 1 here repeated 1, 2, 3 times, 2 here repeated twice, and 3 here repeated once. So this, we are going to express it in this form, in a tabular form. All right, so let's quickly express that. So it means these are the given values. So x, okay, we have 5, we have 8, we have 6, and we have k. And their frequencies, okay, we have, since the question says respectively, okay, it means the frequency of 5 is going to be 3. So you have to arrange it accordingly. The frequency of 8 is going to be 2. So we are arranging it respectively. So the frequency of 6 is going to be what? 4. And the frequency of k is going to be what? 1. So, alright. So whenever you hear the word respectively, make sure you arrange, your values according to the arrangement of what is given. So with this, we can now be able to solve. So our mean, of course, the mean is given as 5.7, and our formula for mean is summation of f of n multiplied by xn divided by what? Our summation of what? Fn. Now let's quickly have the values for xn. So xn, we have the values for xn as what? I have this as x1, x2, x3, and x4. Now for Fn, the numbers we have, this is what? Our F1, our F2, our F3, and our F4. So having done that, we can now solve this problem. Okay, so that's 5.7, which is our mean. Okay, 5.7, which is our mean, is equal to what? Now to express this, I'm going to have, okay, Fn multiply Xn means what? F1 times X1 plus F2 times X2 plus F3 times X3 plus F4 times X4. So all these divide by. Now the sum of Fn means F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4. Okay? So with that, we can now solve inputting these values into this expression. So our 5.7 is equals, our F1 is what? 3. So 3 is going to multiply what? 5. So 3 times what? 5 plus 2 will multiply 8. 2 multiply 8. 4 will multiply what? 6 plus 1 will multiply what? K. So all this is going to divide what? The sum of all this. So which we have as 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. Now from that, we can now be able to solve for the value of K. Alright, so I have 5.7 over 1 is equals 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 plus 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4 times 6 we have is 24 plus 1 times K is K. So all this divide 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So at this point, what do? We can do some simplification. So we are going to what? Cross what? Multiply. While we cross multiply, we're also going to do addition here at the top. Alright, so 10 is going to times this, so I have 5.7 times 10. Okay, and 1 is going to times all that, so 1 is going to times 15 plus 16 plus 24 plus what? Our K. Okay, so 5.7 times 10 is going to give us 57 over 10. I've changed this to fraction. Okay, so times 10 over what? 1. So 1 times this is all this, so 15 plus 16 plus 24 plus what? K. Now for this, changing it to fraction is just 5.7. The point becomes 1 and this represents 0. So when you do that, this decimal point goes out. Alright. So now let's simplify further and get the value of K. Alright, so this is going to cancel out. This is 1, 1. So we are left with what? 57 here. So for this, I'm going to add these two. Okay, 16 plus 24. Okay, 6 plus 4 is going to give me what? 10. So we'll carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus the 1 is 4. So we have 40 there. So plus K. So 57 is going to give us now 15 plus 40. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. So we have this. Now with this, I can subtract 55 here, and I can also subtract 55 here. Alright, so 57 minus 55 is going to give me 2 is equals to 55 minus 55 is 0 plus what? K. So 0 plus K, we know is K. So our value of K is equals to what? 2. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.